unveiling the overlooked elixir, olive leaf extract for the 50X crowd. Picture this, an individual over the age of 50 still brimming with vitality, their zest for life shining through wrinkles and gray hair. Does this seem far-fetched? Well, hold on tight because there might just be an unexpected elixir hiding in plain sight, olive leaf extract. The ancient secrets locked within the leaves of the olive tree hold immense potential for individuals in the golden years. In this blog post, we will explore the captivating benefits and potential drawbacks of olive leaf extract for those aged 50 and above, backed by scientific research and powerful anecdotes. The hidden treasure of olive leaf extract. We've long cherished the delicious fruits and oil from olive trees, but few know about the remarkable healing properties hidden within their leaves. Olive leaf extract has taken the scientific world by storm, revealing itself as a potent ally for our well-being. Rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, and bioactive compounds, this extract offers an astonishing array of potential benefits for individuals in the 50X age group. Boosting heart health. As we age, our heart health becomes a paramount concern. Numerous studies have shown that olive leaf extract can play a vital role in maintaining cardiovascular wellness. The extract has the potential to reduce blood pressure, LDL cholesterol levels, and inflammation, all of which are key factors in heart disease. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that olive leaf extract significantly reduced blood pressure in participants with hypertension. Another study published in Phytomedicine discovered that it decreased LDL cholesterol levels, thus potentially reducing the risk of heart disease, bolstering immunity. With each passing year, our immune system needs the support it can get. Olive leaf extract possesses antimicrobial properties that may help combat harmful pathogens. Research has shown that it can potentially fight against infections and even some antibiotic-resistant bacteria. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated that olive leaf extract exhibits strong antibacterial activity against various strains, including those responsible for bacterial infections. By enhancing immune function, this elixir may help individuals over 50 stay healthier for longer. Supporting cognitive function. Memory lapses and cognitive decline can be unnerving aspects of aging. Thankfully, olive leaf extract shows promise in supporting brain health. The extract's polyphenols, particularly oleuropein, have been found to have neuroprotective effects, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Studies suggest that olive leaf extract may improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive function. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease demonstrated that the extract improved cognitive performance in older adults with memory complaints. While more research is needed, these findings hint at the extract's potential to boost brain health. Drawbacks and precautions. While olive leaf extract holds immense promise, it's important to be aware of potential drawbacks. Some individuals may experience mild side effects, such as diarrhea or headache. Additionally, those with low blood pressure or on blood-thinning medications should exercise caution and consult their healthcare provider before incorporating olive leaf extract into their routine. Now that we have unearthed the fascinating benefits and considerations surrounding olive leaf extract for those over 50, it's time to delve into new possibilities. If you find yourself inclined, consult with your healthcare professional to determine the dosage and potential interactions with your current medications. Remember, a healthy lifestyle forms the bedrock of overall well-being. Olive leaf extract should be seen as an adjunct, complementing a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other self-care practices. The olive leaf extract is like a hidden treasure, waiting to be discovered and admired by individuals over 50. Its remarkable health benefits for heart health, immunity, and cognitive function are backed by scientific studies and real-life experiences. As you navigate the golden years, consider incorporating this age-old secret into your wellness routine and embark on a journey towards rejuvenation, vitality, and optimal health.